In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to Beacons AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and then on your dashboard, you want to go to the bottom left where you can see your profile icon, click on it, and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you want to go to Payments over here on the left, and then here you can see PayPal, and you want to click on Connect. Now, this is going to take you to PayPal's official website. Now, they're going to perform a security check, which usually takes a few seconds, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to sign in using your credentials. Okay, so here of course you can select your region, then select your email you used to sign in, and of course then you have to provide the password as well, like this. Click on the login button, and after you do this, you simply are going to have to authorize everything. So I'm gonna have to get a code over here, which I have to of course confirm to be able to basically connect PayPal to Beacons AI. So in just a second over here I'll receive a code. There we go, I did receive it already, so I'm going to put this one over here like this. Okay, and then whenever you do that, of course, if you have the two-factor authentication, you're gonna have to do this. Click on the submit button, and it's gonna say you're all set. And now it's going to take you inside here, where in just a second it's going to load up the screen. So usually, there we go. What you have to do is click on next over here. Of course, you can select which account you want. So I'm logged in a personal account. I'm just going to connect this one over here and click on next. You can connect the business one as well if you wanna, and then here it wants of course the permissions. Click on allow, and whenever you allow the permissions, it says you're all set. You can return the Beacons AI, and you'll see that you're now successfully connected. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.